Which is better, oat milk or almond milk? I'm sure you have your favorite. Well, let's talk about oat milk first. And unfortunately, from my perspective, oat milk is a little bit low in protein. And unfortunately, it can also be from GMOs, so genetically modified. So you have to be really careful when you are purchasing oat milk and you're not making it yourself, that it says that it's non-GMO and that it is organic, because we know historically in oat farming that they can use a lot of pesticides. Oat milk is also higher in carbohydrates and may contain gluten as well, which for anybody who has a gluten sensitivity or gut disorders, that gluten can be problematic. One thing that is common in both oat milk and almond milk is something called carrageenan. Now, this is originally derived from sea moss, and sea moss on its own in its natural state is healthy. However, the carrageenan is used as an emulsifier, and it's something that they put into most nut milks when they are the vegan types. Why? Because it helps to emulsify and keep everything in solution. Not one of the best things. That carrageenan, the research has shown, can be very destructive to the gut lining and is problematic for most people. So you want to avoid that ingredient. Look for that carrageenan. Make sure it's not in your oat milk nor in your almond milk. Now, almond milk does have some protein, and I do love almond milk myself. Just from personal experience over the years, I find that it's easier on my stomach. Now, it can have carrageenan as well, and this is where I really had to investigate and look at all of the labels very carefully to find some of the brands that I preferred that didn't have that carrageenan. My tips here, though, for both oat milk and almond milk, if you want to go with either one of them, is to make it yourself. Then you can control the ingredients that go into your milk, which is amazing. Always looking for organic whenever you can, and you only need a few other ingredients like water. So if I were to make an almond milk, just putting the almonds into a blender, add some water. You may need a pinch of salt in there as well. Some people like to add flavoring like a vanilla extract, and you just blend that up, and then you can strain it, and then you've got your almond milk. Now, you can also buy special devices that help to, of course, make your almond milk at home, and you can control all those ingredients. Now, for other foods you thought were healthy but actually aren't, check out my video, 5 healthy foods that are actually unhealthy. I'll see you there.